Welcome to part 4 of our series, Cool Things You Can Do with AI. Today, we're diving into how AI creates incredibly personalized experiences. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's shaping our everyday lives in fascinating ways. AI, or artificial intelligence, is cool because it allows machines to learn, reason, and solve problems, creating incredible efficiencies and new possibilities. In this segment, we'll focus on how AI customizes experiences just for you, making technology feel truly intuitive. AI is redefining how we consume entertainment, making suggestions and content generation highly tailored. Whether it's movie suggestions on your streaming service or new music discoveries, AI learns your taste to deliver the perfect next thing to watch or listen to. AI can dynamically generate content within games, creating unique quests, environments, or storylines that adapt to your playstyle. The health and wellness industry is leveraging AI to offer bespoke plans and advice that match individual needs and goals. Based on your current fitness level, goals, and even past performance, AI can create workout plans that evolve with you, ensuring optimal progression. Get dietary recommendations that consider your preferences, allergies, and health targets, making healthy eating simpler and more effective. AI is revolutionizing learning by making education more accessible and specifically catering to how each student learns best. AI tutors and adaptive platforms adjust the pace and content of lessons, focusing on areas where you need the most help for efficient learning. Need to grasp complex material quickly? AI can summarize lengthy textbooks and articles, highlighting key concepts and saving you hours of reading time. We've seen how artificial intelligence is transforming various aspects of our lives through hyper-personalization. From what you watch and how you exercise, to what you learn, AI's power lies in its ability to adapt and deliver experiences unique to you. That's it for part 4. Join us for part 5, where we explore even more cool things you can do with AI.